I have been asked to describe vibe coding or explain it. I really don't want to, but I'm going to because I've been asked a lot. Vibe coding is a term that people just made up that basically means that you're using AI to code, but instead of evaluating the output or knowing what is written, you just go with it if it runs. At least that's my understanding after Googling it. I've been asked, do I think this is a good idea? Answer is pretty much 95% no, maybe even 100%. Here's why, and I'm going to plug something that I created. Here's the term that I coined that is not nearly as clever as vibe coding, so it's never going to catch on, called comment-driven development. Comment-driven development is the idea of having this coding workflow, at least when it comes to things that AI is capable of doing and generating. And what you do is you write comments for every section of the code that you want to have generated, and you treat that comment like a mini prompt for AI, right? You write it as specific as needed in order to get the output that you want. I think that this is something that's going to be happening more in the future. However, you should still know what it's generating. You're still responsible for that. AI is the assistant, not the brain. And also, some of the times that Copilot generates a comment with to do for you to still implement the logic. AI is very helpful. I am pro using AI, but I am not pro not using our brains. The only reason that it might be okay to vibe code is, let's say you're a startup that needs to just show a proof of concept of something to demo to customers or investors or something. I think it's fine to vibe code something just so you have something to show, with the knowledge that you probably need to evaluate what was generated or start from scratch or something. I don't know. What do you think? Are you pro or against vibe coding? I've actually been surprised by some of the answers, so let me know in the comments.